I'm a cat. I don't know how, probably because of a lab experiment. By the way, the game name is called Kitten. Wow, game. It's a kitten. It's so cute. And you might wonder why people's likes turn into cats, because they post like cat videos. And the reason why I posted one real life cat video is because that I wanted to see if it actually works. And I'm a cat.
I'm bald.
Well, you're bald?
I'm bald. More than bald.
Is that a meow? Oh wait, that's wrong. Yeah.
Cats don't like water. Why do you go on the pool? Because cats don't like water. Go on my house.
My god, these cats are so cute. I could choose like millions. I want to change my kitty. Oh my god, this is so cute. I like black ones. So guys, do not be racist to black cats. And black cats doesn't actually bring bad luck. It brings good luck. Just racist people say that black cats bring bad luck, you know. So if you're not racist, you could like and subscribe to show it. By the way, I'm a kitty. Wait, I could jump the highest? Yeah! Well, I could hiss like... Let's go on!
No.